Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Asad Iqbal and with another video of if else statement. As I told you guys before that I'll bring a program in front of you guys in which we'll see that user will enter a number and we'll check that it is a odd or even number, right? So for that you have to understand this, that what is a mathematically uh, odd and even number, right? See, this is a even number. 10 is a even number, everybody knows. And we how we come to know that if we divide 10 with 2, the remainder will come 0. This is a remainder, right? This is a remainder. So if the remainder is coming 0, it means that it is a even number, right? Right? Okay, on the other hand, if we see that 35 is an odd number, but computer is not knowing that what is odd and even, so we have to make computer understand that how computer will recognize that this number is a odd or even, right? So for that you have to divide 35 with 2, right? The answer will come 17, but the remainder is a 1. So it means that the 35, let's suppose 35 is a number which user is going to be entered. So we have to take remainder of that n, or a number which user will be entered. We have to take remainder of that with 2. रिमाइंडर पॉइंट समझ आ रहा है आपको? रिमाइंडर हम इसको कह रहे हैं जो नीचे हमारे पास जो बचता है, बकाया जिसे कहते हैं. So this here, this is a 1 and here this is a 0. So these two things are known as remainder. So we have to take a remainder of that number which user is going to be entered. Let's suppose 35 in this case and 10 in this case. So we are going to take remainder of that number. If the remainder comes 0, then we'll call that it is a even number. But if the remainder come not 0, then we'll consider that number as a odd number, right? होपफुली आप लोगों को ये चीज़ समझ आ गई होगी. तो अब हम ज़रा हम चेक करते हैं कि आपके पास अगर हम इस प्रोग्राम को प्रैक्टिकली करके देखें तो कैसे होगा. सबसे पहले बड़ी सिंपल सी बात, आपके पास आपने वही काम कि आपने सिंपल से टर्बो सी प्लस प्लस को ओपन करना है. वही चीज़ें जो ऊपर आप लगाते आए हो, हैश इंक्लूड studio.h, studio.h, and then again hash include conio.h, conio.h. After that, this is a void main. What does it mean? It means that it is a main function which is going to return nothing. Void stands for, like, void means nothing, right? Then we have to put curly bracket and then clear screen function, and after that we are going to initialize a variable. And why not initialize? We are going to declare the variable only. And if we'll take this variable, why we are taking this variable, first of all we have to make sure that हमें इस चीज़ का पता हो गया हम वेरिएबल ले क्यों रहे. इसलिए क्योंकि जब यूज़र कोई नंबर एंटर करेगा तो हमने उसको स्क्रीन पे शो करना है कि इवन है या ऑड है. तो वो जो नंबर यूज़र एंटर करेगा उसको एक लोकेशन भी तो हमने देनी है ना. तो इसलिए हमने क्या किया, एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया है. अब हमने स्क्रीन पे यूज़र से क्या कहा कि प्रिंट एफ इंटर एनी number. So here we are going to entering the number and then we are going to scan it, right? Scan, okay, scanf, and there's the only method that you have to take the format specifier of that. So what is that? That is a percentage d, because the variable is having integer type. Then okay, after that you have to take the address of that variable, right? That is, let's suppose this one. Okay, so here we are going to put the condition which I told you in that picture, that if n is a number which user is going to be entered, let's put 35, 10, as I told you in the example. So we are going to take the remainder of that. Remainder means this sign with 2. Okay, if it comes 0, अगर उस नंबर का हम 2 के साथ रिमाइंडर लें तो वो 0 आए, we can say that this is a printf, this is a even number, right? So we are going to show even simple like this, and then अगर हम उसका उससे लें रिमाइंडर लें 2 के साथ, तो अगर 0 आ जाता है तो हम क्या कहते हैं, इवन है, और अगर नहीं आता तो उस केस में क्या होगा, एल्स, राइट? सो इसके बाद printf and here we are going to specify it like it is a not a even, like we can say it's a odd, right? So here we go, and after that at the end of the program we are going to put the get ch, right? So here the program is done almost. So first of all we are going to take a variable, declaring a variable. After that we are putting statement in front of user the entering number. When the user will enter the number, we'll scan it by putting this format specifier of that and the address of that variable. Then we are going to put this condition that we are going to take remainder of that number with 2, and if it is equal to 0, right, then printf even. तो हमने क्या प्रिंट करवाना है, even. और अगर वो 0 नहीं आता, else, then we are going to print it a printf odd. Okay, let's see. First of all we're going to compile this program, alt F9, there is no error, you can see that there is no error. So then we are going to put it like going to run the program. Then it is asking enter any number. Let's suppose 88, I'm going to enter, let's suppose 88. So 88 is a number which I'm going to enter. Let's say it is a odd or even. Being a human, we know that it is a even number, but we have to make computer understand that is it a even or odd. So let's suppose इंटर प्रेस करता हूँ मैं, तो इसने मुझे क्या बताया, इवन है, राइट जी? तो अगर मैं दोबारा इसको कंपाइल करूँ तो देखते हैं क्या जी, एंटर ए नंबर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एंटर, लेट्स सपोज 77. नाउ लेट्स सी ऑड, ये क्या है, ऑड है. तो यही था, एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम था आपके पास. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोग्राम, अक्सर आपके पास पेपर में भी आ जाता है, एंड मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स डू नॉट गेट द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस. सो होपफुली आपको ये वीडियो समझ आई होगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो समझ आई है तो और पसंद आई तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द like button too, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon, right? So thank you so very much guys, and take good care of yourself.